Hello everybody, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing review on the Dewalt half-inch brushless impact. I got this for $205 at my local Home Depot store. I had a few gift cards and I thought this was a good deal because I believe the original price is $300 because it comes with a tool, a charger, and a battery. But I bought it for $199 plus tax, and that's a pretty good price for this half-inch impact tool. So I'm gonna go ahead, open it up, show you what's inside, and get to it. So I went ahead and opened it up. It came with this bag. This tool is proudly made in the USA. I'm gonna go ahead and open the bag and show you the contents inside. Starting off in the bag, we got the user manual, and then I see the tool right there, but we're gonna keep digging here. We got the battery charger, Dewalt battery charger. We got the 20-volt battery right here. This is the 4 amp hour battery, the bigger one. That's cool. A little nicer battery. This was a good deal. And then we got the half-inch impact tool. Ooh, wow. Heavy. There we have it. Let me get the bag off of it. There it is. The Dewalt half-inch impact gun with 700 foot-pounds of torque, I believe. That's what it said online. Brushless motor. Available at your Home Depot store. Here's the tool right here. You got a LED light that comes on when you hit the trigger. 20 volt. This battery has a indicator light on how much battery life it has. You can see it has 1 bar left. I mean, I just got out of the package, so and that's pretty much it. What comes with it? $199 at your local Home Depot. You can get your half-inch impact gun. Can't wait to try it out. Bye for now.